Welcome to Akshaya channel. Please subscribe my channel. Today's Indian polity GK quiz. The right to equality is enriched in which articles of the Indian Constitution? Option A, Articles 12 to 15, B 14 to 18, C 19 to 22, D 23 to 24. Answer is option B, Articles 14 to 18. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. G.V. Mavalankar, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. V.V. Giri. Answer is option B, G.V. Mavalankar. Who administers the oath to the President of India? Option A, Prime Minister, B. Speaker of Lok Sabha, C. Chief Justice of India, D. Vice President. Answer is C. Chief Justice of India. The first Constitutional Amendment Act was passed in option A 1951, B 1950, C 1952, D 1954. Answer is A 1951. Which amendment was introduced by anti-defection law? Option A 44th, B 62nd, C 52nd, D 42nd. Answer is option C 52nd. The Panchayat Raj was introduced by which amendment? Option A 73rd, option B 62nd, option C 46th, option D 74th. Answer is option A 73rd. How many types of emergencies are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Option A 2, option B 1, option C 3, option D 4. Answer is option C 3. In which state the Panchayat Raj system was implemented? Option A Orissa, option B Karnataka, option C Bihar, option D Rajasthan. Answer is option D Rajasthan. The Vice President of India is also option A Chief Justice of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Attorney General. Answer is Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The first non-confidence motion in the Lok Sabha was passed in which year? Option A 1963, option B 1952, option C 1975, option D 1985. Answer is option A 1963.